Hey, what's up, guys? So, I'm about to break down exactly how I made $500 in my first week of Forex trading. Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, it's possible, even if you're just starting out. In this video, I'm going to share the strategy, the mindset, and the key steps that got me there. Let's dive right into it. First things first. I started with a small account, nothing too big. I wanted to make sure I wasn't risking too much while I was learning. I think that's the most important part, starting small and keeping your risk low until you get comfortable. And believe me, I made mistakes, plenty of them, but that's how you learn. Now let's talk strategy. For me, the key was keeping it simple. I focused on just one or two pairs, and I used a combination of support and resistance levels along with some basic candlestick patterns. It's tempting to jump into all the flashy indicators, but trust me, less is more when you're starting out. The strategy I used helped me stay disciplined and not chase random trades. Now this part is crucial. You can't just throw money into trades and hope for the best. Risk management is everything. I made sure I was risking 1 to 2% of my account per trade. That way, even if I lost a couple of trades, it wasn't going to blow my account. It's all about consistency, not trying to make a ton of money in one go. Trading isn't about rushing. You've got to be patient. I was obsessed with making money at first, but I quickly learned that the money will come when you're patient and follow your strategy. The mental part of trading is the hardest, and you've got to master it if you want to succeed. So that's how I made $500 in my first week. It wasn't a ton, but it was a solid start. And the most important thing, it gave me the confidence to keep going. If you're new to Forex, just keep learning, stay disciplined, and the profits will come. If this helped, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.